Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property is a developer's dream as it sits on approximately 7.5 acres of prime land. It is located in Pamphret, St. Thomas. Already, it has a number of buildings consisting of 14 active rooms of varying sizes, dining areas, conference room, pool and recreational areas. There are 11 additional rooms ready to be bought into occupancy. But the real additional opportunity lies in the fact that with the new highway development, the additional acreage can easily be converted into private dwelling to be either sold or kept for the expansion of the hotel. Currently, the conference room is used regularly for conferences. With the highway and ease of access, this demand out of town will be bound to increase. We can well imagine that the combination of rooms and conference facility will bring. There is also a reception area, gazebo, bar, and snack counter with washroom facilities, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this hotel and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this hotel is US 2.5 million or Jamaican $384.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.